I'm back with another video. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I upload, because baby be coming with the goods. But anyway, you guys, so this wig was sent to me from another Amazon company. I'll get into the details as usual towards the end of the video once I start installing and everything. But I am in love with this wig, you guys. So just check out the video because I will be showing you guys how to install it and everything. So I'll talk to you later.
Money I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. But the song's so fucking dope, girl, it's hard enough for me to play. Tell the truth, if it was you in this booth that I was playing. So I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. See, I've been in the studio just trying to get to you, baby. All they laying verses, though, I'd rather lay with you, baby. Bro and panties matching, Ellen told you what kind of lady. Angel out of heaven, such a goddess, have a nigga praying. I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. But the song's so fucking dope, girl, it's hard enough for me to play. Tell the truth, if it was you in this booth that I was playing. So I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. So I lock your pussy, girl, you knowin' that your nigga faded. Can I hit that pussy way I wanna while this record play? Put my tongue in different places, playing game with separation. Like, na 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 na, you get what I'm saying? Yeah. No metaphors, nothing like that. I'm keeping it straight to the point with you. Yeah. So I'ma put this dick up off inside of you. I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. But the song's so fucking dope, girl, it's hard enough for me to play. Tell the truth, if it was you in this booth that I was playing. So I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe.
Yeah. Valentine. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Bobby Valentino. I get up on ya. Yeah. When we can hear the angels calling us. When we can see the sunrise before us. Yeah. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. Like a cop call. Hey. I make you sing. Yeah. Throwing the buck in the latest drop. Got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Talking about yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about yeah, yeah. We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say yeah, like a cop call. And after we got done, I said, lady, what's your number? She said 911. emergency only. Head doctor perform surgery on me. Yeah, and now I'm healed. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels. Then I beat it like a cop. Find the king, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like a cop. Ride the king, baby, say I beat it like a cop. But I ain't trying to be violent, but I do the time, but her love is timeless. Mrs. Officer, I know you wish your name was Mrs. Calder, huh? Yeah, like a cop call.
We can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say,
Mrs. Officer, tell your lieutenant get them cuffs off for ya. I'm kid, my face on every wanted poster. I'm wanted by every lady cop all over. That ass so big, I catch a battery to hold ya. Hair so big, you thought I told you pull it over. She pulled me over, pulled me out the Rover. Then she pulled me closer, threw me in back of the car, put me in handcuffs, start ripping my pants up. All you know with the dispatcher is
when I get up all in ya, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. I make it say, maybe you can lock me up and throw away the key. Call your sergeant and tell him you can't finish your shift, cause it's on tonight. Breakfast in bed turns to breakfast in, and I can't wait to get it on. I wanna do it all night long. We can hear the angels calling.
Say, let me see. Make every minute worth it, baby. It's for Ursha, baby.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm definitely happy with my look. I did just the baby hairs right there just because obviously it's the middle part, so you're not going to see too much of my sides. So you guys, I got this wig from Amazon store. It was sent to me. I'm gonna have it on the screen as I usually do, but I think it's called ft.Nicy or Nicey store. I'm gonna leave the link down below per usual. But so this is a teapot wig, you guys. I got her in the length, I want to say 20 inches. Yeah, I think this is like 20 inches. Yeah, I think this is 20 inches on me. The wig straight out the package, it comes curled. I will show you guys a picture. I will insert that picture right here of how it looked, and it looked exactly like that. Not often you find a vendor use a picture that looks exactly like the wig, but the curls was popping, you guys. You saw it. You literally could have just, you know, slapped it on your head and went out the door, because like the wig itself feels like butter. Like it literally, your fingers roll straight through it. I did not bleach the knots on here. I just put a little foundation in my part, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. Now it is a T-part wig, you guys, so you cannot pluck it too much. I did a little something like right there, but not, you know, obviously too much. But yeah, so I did say I was going to put the picture up there, so I probably did. But anyway, like you guys, you seen the curls, and they're like, they was bomb. But ever since they sent me this wig, or ever since they sent me a photo of what the wig would look like, I envisioned crimps. Like I just really been wanting some crimps with my, like a nice little middle part so badly lately. And now I want some straight hair. But yeah, this looks so good, you guys. Like you literally did not have to do anything to the wig. Like you could have wore the curls the way that they are. They looked just so good. But anyway, you guys, so it says transparent body wave wig. They do have an option for 13x4 in the burgundy color. They have like a ombre 99J and like a red color wig also. But like I said, I'll leave the link down below. You guys can like scroll through it and see what you see or whatever. It comes 16 inches, 18, 20, 22, 24. I would have liked it a 24, obviously, but this is cute. This is cute. I actually like this length. It's not too long. It's not doing too much. I'm in love with this wig, you guys. Like, I'm sorry that I didn't, like, I guess manipulate it, like, as far as, like, bleaching the knots and all that. I normally don't bleach my knots, but I do want to get into that just so I can give you guys a better review of the hair, so that, you know, once you manipulate a wig, that's when you get the full, you know, review or the full look at how the hair is going to actually act within, you know, a month's time or such and such. The more you manipulate it, the more you actually see whether it's good hair or not, in other words. So you know, like, initial review, this hair is bomb.com. Like, it literally flows straight through your fingers. I have no tangles. Even with me crimping the hair, and I don't want to mess up the crimps too much, but even with me crimping the hair and, you know, not brushing it out or whatever, it does not tangle. There you go. So it's a 99J body wave wig. I don't have much to say. I used my Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and I used a little bit of the what is that, even spray. I used the red can of the even spray to spray it also after I cut the lace, because some parts was kind of like sticking up. I was trying to, y'all see my little attempt at trying to do those cute little baby hairs everybody be doing, but I need to get one of them curlers, you guys. Like, I have a like skinny burl curler, so I kind of like, why would I buy another curler? But I need to get some of them needle curlers that everybody be using, because I probably could have did better with this. What you guys think? How did I do? Like, look at the lace. The lace looks really good though. The lace looks really good. I mean, like I said, I didn't bleach the knots, but it still looks pretty good, I think. It was messing with my foundation. I keep forgetting to you know, like, clear my hairline before I you know, do all this stuff. But yeah, you guys, so this is where she comes on me. Yeah, I have nothing to really say. I have nothing to complain about this wig, you guys. The only thing I can say is go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, go check out the link down below if you want like a cute little burgundy wig. This is really not bad, you guys, to be a T-part. Like, it gives you enough parting space. It's not like a weird type of, you know, parting space. The link will be down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.